morning, and I'm just about to head out to St Bees Lighthouse. Should be a pleasant walk, about 3 miles I believe. It's just about warm enough to be in a pair of shorts. And there's the lighthouse over there. It's a bit concerning that those mountains over in the Grampians of Scotland, I think it's the Grampians, appear to have snow on them. That shows you how cold it was over the last few days. But yeah, just about there in the distance. Definitely white peaked. But I'm going to get over there, going to put the drone up and see what I can find out about it. Having decided to walk out and look at the lighthouse at St Bees, I decided that I'd carry on walking to Whitehaven. I'll give Helen a message, see if she can pick me up later, as she's working most of today. But yeah, it's been very nice. It's warm in the sun, breeze is pretty light, there's some amazing views. I was a bit concerned that a lot of the mountain peaks are still capped in snow, but that just goes to show you that even early in May, you know, the weather can turn. But yeah, it's lovely, absolutely stunning. So we're going to walk to Whitehaven and we'll see what's there. Just a wonderful stretch of coastline, very, very lovely. Don't know if this was all quarry as well at one stage. It looks a bit flat, and given that there's a fairly substantial path or an old road down here, it's got a good chance, and that section would be the bit that's natural and slipped away. But yeah, walking on to Whitehaven, so it should be good. graffiti dating to the 50s. That's 1957, I think, there. Somebody leaving their mark again. Just arrived at Whitehaven. Just got here, walked about 6 miles. I'm going to have a look at what's around. Seems to have quite a checkered history. We've just come past Hate Colliery, which was so close to the shore edge, it was unbelievable. Part of it was probably under the water. But this looks to be walls. It's going to be hard to see. Definitely got a smokestack, but there's no information about it. I'll have to find out about the information afterwards. You've got the harbour. Really great seagull with Schmidt in its mouth. And the town. Like the old harbours been silted up. But yeah, I'll go and have a look. Oh, this is known as the Candlestick Market. Well, here we are at Whitehaven. Just watched that boat being lowered down on its mobile gantry. Looking at the new stuff, and look who's arrived.
Yay! Some of us have been working all day.
Yeah, but sun's out. We're looking at the nice little bit of artwork. They're all steel representations of the knots that sailors use. But it's looking good. Be lovely here in full summer, not with this bit of brisk wind blowing.